In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, and let me show you how to reset network settings on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all apps, go to the settings then, and now click on General Management. Here you will notice Reset tab, so you have to select it, and now you can smoothly pick Reset Network Settings. And then if you truly want to remove all settings, including those for Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth, tap on Reset Settings, and then draw your unlocked pattern to confirm that you want to reset all network settings. Tap on Reset then. And that's it. As you can see, network settings have been reset. Congrats! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.